Hey everyone, this is Anthony, and today we'll be covering how to install plates into your AR500 Armor Testudo Gen 2.0 plate carrier. All our plate carriers have bottom opening plate pockets except for the AR Freeman, which opens from the top. And installing your plates couldn't be easier. Simply open the plate pocket, slide the plate in, making sure to have the strike face facing outward, then secure the flap. The Testudo works exactly the same, but with one addition. Because it can carry either the 10x12 or the 11x14 inch plates, you need to take a little extra care to make sure that the plate is installed correctly. If you look inside the plate pocket, you'll see the webbing going across the plate pocket, as well as two vertical straps that have Velcro on them. These are to secure the 10x12 plate in the larger pocket. To install your plates into your Testudo carrier, follow these simple steps. First, make sure the two retention straps are laid out flat. Next, slide the 10x12 plate between the inner retention strap and the front of the plate carrier. Next, take the two retention straps, wrap them around the bottom of the plate, then secure them to the Velcro on the inside of the plate pocket, then secure the plate pocket flap. If you're using the 11x14 plates, slide the plate behind the cross strap so that the plate is behind the strap and the rear of the plate pocket. If you want to add trauma pads or soft armor with your plates, make sure you place those behind the plate between you and the armor plate. The Testudo also comes with a MOLLE-covered cummerbund that features integrated side plate pockets. Installing side plates to your cummerbund is a snap. If you're using 6x6 plates, open the pocket flap, insert the plate, making sure the strike face is facing outward, then close the flap. If you're using 6x8 plates, open the pocket flap, reach in and pull out the pocket closure extension, then insert the plate, making sure the strike face is facing outward, then close the flap. The Testudo's versatility and full feature design make it our most popular carrier. However, this versatility means that you need to make sure that you're inserting the 10x12 plates correctly. Although the 11x14 plate can only fit behind the cross strap, the 10x12 will fit in either area. Placing the 10x12 plate into the Testudo correctly will prevent it from shifting in the plate pocket, ensuring it covers what it's supposed to protect. And that's it. Go over the carrier to ensure the pocket flaps are securely closed, and you are ready to go. If you have any questions or to take a look at our other great products, please visit us at www.ar500armor.com.